Question number 24. 7 pirates each have a number of diamonds. The oldest pirate has 88 diamonds, and he does not have the largest number of diamonds. The youngest pirate has 70 diamonds, and he does not have the smallest number of diamonds. If the 7 pirates have different number of diamonds and each have an average of 75 diamonds, then the pirate with the smallest number of diamonds has at most how many diamonds? Actually, this question is an extreme problem. So, because there are two extreme value. One is the person with the smallest number. The other is how many can he have at most. So we had better replace the first one in another word, because the pirate with the smallest number, actually this smallest, it doesn't mean value, it means the order. So we can replace it as the last place. Next time, if the question wanted you to find the person with the most something, you can replace it as the first place. Then we want to ensure the last place will have as many as possible. So first we need to know a thing. That is, no matter how many the last place have, is that possible for him to have something more than the average? It's like in your class, no matter how much score the last place get, is that possible for him or her to get some marks more than the average? Definitely not. It's impossible. Because we need to know a rule, that is, average means a number between the last and the first. So in other words, no matter how many the last place have, it can't be a number more than the average. But if we want to ensure the last place has as many as possible, we should find a number close to the average. As long as you know this part, then the question will become much easier. And also, as the question has already told us, two numbers. So actually, we can just first find how many diamonds do they have in total. The total amount should be equal to average times the number of parts. So it would be 75 times 7, which is 525. Second, because we already know how many diamonds the oldest and the youngest that the pirate have, we just need to take it away directly. 525 minus 88 minus 70. Please calculate on a sheet of paper and tell me what is that. Great, it should be 367. Then let's see. When we want to ensure the last place get as many as possible, in other words, we hope the remaining diamonds will be shared as evenly as possible. If so, try to ensure the first place gets as few as possible. But because we know 88 is not the biggest number, if 88 is not the biggest, and to ensure the first place gets something less, so actually the maximum value, the minimum value the first place can get should be, let me replace it by first place, number 1 students or number 1 pirate. At least we need to ensure the number 1 pirate will get 89 diamonds. Then actually the question becomes 4 pirates share 367 minus 89 diamonds, because the other 3 pirates' diamonds have been decided. Then it will be 278 diamonds shared by 4 pirates. Then now we just need to ensure, because we know the last place can't get something more than the average. But if we want to ensure he will get as many as possible, try to distribute the 278 as evenly as possible. So first we need to find the average. It should be 69 remaining 2 diamonds. Then let's see. The question just becomes, We want to find four different numbers add up to 278. So the easiest way to get it is just to make like 69 is the first one, and then 70 and 68, because the remaining two can be given to the biggest number. Is this true? Pay attention to this number, 70. But because the youngest pirate has already got 70 diamonds, so here we can't have another 70 again. If so, let's see. We can only ensure it will get something more than that. But it can't be 71, so at least it should be 72. For this pirate to have 72, we can, but we want to so we need to take away some diamonds from the first two pirates. The best strategy is everybody give one, because in this case we can ensure take away fewer from the last place. Then it will become 67 plus 68 plus 71 plus 72 makes 278. Without having 70, we can also ensure the last place will get as many as possible. Then, in this case, we have already solved it. The pirate with the smallest number, who should be the last place, has 67 diamonds at most. So, next time when you meet this kind of problem, there are too many extreme case. Like somebody has the most, how many should he get at least? In this case, so first had better replace the first and most or smallest with the order. Replace it by first place or the last place. Then that will be easier for you to understand.